Hello folks, how are you? I hope that all of you are doing well. I welcome you all on my channel gblogy. So in this video we will talk about WhatsApp stickers. Okay, so nowadays WhatsApp stickers are very popular among us. As you can see, I have also received a WhatsApp sticker. So today in this video we will see how can we send our own personal sticker to our friends. Okay, so before starting our video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So we will create our sticker by following two steps. Okay, so in our first step, we will convert our image into PNG. So PNG means an image with empty background. Okay, and in our second step, we will install an app, and by using which we will send our sticker to our friends. Okay, so let me complete first step. For example, I want to make sticker of Shahid Afridi. Okay, so for making this sticker I will remove background from this image. Okay, so for removing background I will use an app, PixArt. Okay, so you can use any app for removing background. As I like this app, so I will just use this app. Okay, so you can also install this app in Google Play Store. So I will just use this app for removing our background. Okay, so just click on this plus option, and from here select your respective picture. Okay, so I will just select this picture. So for removing our background I will just click on this cutout option. So I will just select the portion which I will need in my sticker. Okay, so I will just mark all his portion. So after selecting I will just click on this next option. This image has been selected, and if you want to select all his body, then by clicking here you can just select all his body parts. So after doing this you just have to click on this uncheck option, and here you can see that the background has been removed. So I will just save my picture. Okay, in my gallery. I will just save this picture. Now if I go back to my gallery, then you can see that this picture has been saved from here. You can see that the background has been removed. Okay, so our first step is complete. Now our second step is just to install an app. Go to Play Store, and from here install personal stickers. Okay, so just install personal stickers for WhatsApp. So as I have already installed this app, I will just open this app, and from here you can see that our sticker has been added to this option. So I will just click on this add option. Okay, so here you can see it's sending to our WhatsApp. So I will just click on this add option, and our sticker has been added to our WhatsApp. Okay, now if you want to send this sticker to any of your friends, you will just open WhatsApp, and let's suppose that I have to send my sticker to my this friend. So I will just click on this option, and from here I will just select stickers, and from here you can see that a black dot portion has been added to my stickers. Okay, so I will just click on this, and here you can see that this is our sticker. Okay, so it's sending to my friend. Okay, so that was it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, thank you.